Round 5 of the 2012 ATV WORCS Series brought us to Adelanto, California, where in the dry desert conditions and blistering heat, Joshua trees are just all that can survive. But in spite of the harsh conditions, the dedicated pros and amateurs of WORCS showed up in record numbers. And as the pros lined up Sunday afternoon, championship contenders Josh Frederick, Bo Barron, and David Haagsma were all in for a 2-hour battle against the harsh conditions of the Mojave Desert. The number 549 of Bo Barron was virtually untouchable as he opened up a massive lead. And when Josh Frederick ran out of fuel way off in the desert, David Haagsma and Dustin were able to secure second and third. It was a great weekend to be a WORCS amateur, as pro riders such as David Haagsma and Tim Showman put on free riding clinics out on the track.